Hey, hi friends. Today there is a day that is a great announcement that is by Xiaomi. Yesterday Xiaomi announced that they are going to launch a great feature phone that name as a Qin. Xiaomi Qin, which is a powered by Android phone. Basically this is a feature phone. You might be hear about that. It is a feature phone, not a smartphone. Basic feature phone. The basic features of a feature phone is a long battery life. So it make its promise completely, and it will give a backup of 15 days in a single charge. And moreover, this is a powered by Android phone, right? And this Android phone, you can say this is a basically very small feature phone. And feature phone, there was one drawback on this phone is that there is a no camera in the phone, but the quality and the features which are equipped with this phone is marvelous. A basic a feature phone that consists of a artificial intelligence. You can voice recognize the phone voice recognize you yourself and perform activities whatever you ask to that device. Second thing is good in that phone is that the look and feel of the phone is very nice because it is kind of made of a steel or aluminium made body and a good finish in the phone, which makes the phone design look and feel very awesome. Next thing is that the phone doesn't have 3.5 headphone jack like iPhone doesn't have that. That is a drawback in this phone. No camera, no headphone, but it consists of a volte feature. It consists of a whatever it is. It is Wi-Fi tethering hotspot. You can hotspot from this phone, which we can't do it with geophone. In geophone we are not able to do hotspot. We are not able having two sim and work simultaneously. Like, there are too many drawbacks in geophone. This phone basically comes to compete with the geophone. It Xiaomi study the Indian market properly. It finds that the in India there are very most of the people are looking for some feature phone which last long with the help of a battery, and there is a durable phone. It is a very durable phone, as it is a feature phone. How much time it you drop it in the floor, it doesn't break. It is a nice durable and tough phone. The phone look feel really awesome. I feel that the look and feel of the phone is very good. Next thing is that phone price, which we all are aware about. The price of the phone is just 2000, and maybe with the help of some coupons and XYZ discounts are available in the Flipkart in the this freedom sale, I can say that the price of the phone is nearby 1800 in Indian INR, right? So we'll hurry up to buy this phone, and I'll suggest that this phone must be buy because 2 3 points are very good. First point is that the look and feel. The feature phone must be look good. We are not going to buy a small Chinese phone like lava phone, intex phone, small, these basic feature phones. We are not going to buy that because there are SAR values issues. There are some different issues. Look and feel of the phone are not so much good, but this Chinese Xiaomi phone look and feel is very good. First point is fine. Second point is that the artificial intelligence in this phone, which makes easy to communicate with the phone, and it will do lot of tasks automatically. You not need to do anything. Third thing is that there is a QR, not QR, it is a IR blaster in the phone. IR blaster means it can control your TV, right? So within some range of 10 meters you can make your phone as a remote control for your TV. Fourth thing is that the price of the phone is really mind blowing thing. Fifth thing is that it is a great competitor of geophone. Geophone having a volte technology, single sim, but here in Xiaomi you will find volte plus dual SIM, plus Wi-Fi hotspot, plus long battery life, and more things, more features are there because it is a Android powered phone. You can install lot of application in this phone and is easily ergonomic phone. The drawback of the phone is that it doesn't have camera, it doesn't have 3.5 jack, so that makes long lasting battery. You understand? It makes, because camera consumes lot of power, headphone listening to the music consumes lot of power. If you are not doing these all things, so the power saves and you can make your phone last for a long time. So thank you for watching the video, and hoping the phone will launch in India very soon, so I must buy the phone. Definitely I will buy the phone, and I suggest you also to buy this phone. Thanks buddy.